Hey guys, this is Kyle.
And Thomas.
Oh, that felt weird. Anyway, I'm coming to you with a new top offers video, and this time we're gonna be focusing on offers that perform incredibly well to email marketing. So all your email marketers out there, pay attention. We actually went and we looked at the top email producers, the ones that are sending the most email and making the most money, and looked at what are the offers that they have been sending recently. In this video, we cover 6 of the latest and greatest ClickBank offers that are crushing it on email right now. Coming in at number 1 comes from some big OGs in the business, and that is LivePure. This is an email monster. This offer focuses on a little bit different angle in terms of weight loss, where they're talking about your liver, and purifying that liver is gonna turn your body into a fat-burning furnace, as I can't seem to pronounce furnace. But what that really means to you is great conversion rates, and here's what you really wanna pay attention to. Big, fat commission checks. This offer comes in an average payout of almost $150. That is huge for a supplement offer and something that you could start taking advantage of, particularly in email. To add a little bit of benefit to this, again, this offer has been getting sent out to some of the biggest lists over and over and over again. If you haven't seen it, you need to use it, see it, test it, and start joining the crew on this amazing offer from people that have been creating great offers for a long time on ClickBank. So let's move to number 2, and Thomas somehow is gonna fit in here and tell us what that one is.
Thanks, Kyle, for helping us split test bearded white guys with glasses. If you thought LivePure was good, this one's gonna be even better. We're going with Menno Rescue, which, as a 30-year-old white guy, I can't really speak to that much, but if you're on the menopause roller coaster, this will help you get off of it. This product is selling like gangbusters over email with all the big affiliates pushing it, and we're seeing affiliate payout values over $165, which it's just getting ridiculous now. Like with many email offers, this one in particular is doing great with women over 55 years and older. So if you've got the demographic, you want to be mailing this all the time. And honestly, you might want to be emailing their husbands too. This supplement offer is doing a great job increasing their average order value by offering cool things like digital bundles and different products that customers can select. So they're really making it a great buying experience, and the return rates are extremely low for this type of supplement.
All right, now back to obviously the better looking white guy. We are gonna talk about our third offer, which is BioFit. This is a supplement in the weight loss space that you might remember from 2021 and a big winner in 2022. Now, I'm not here to talk about things in the past, but I really wanna focus on is this offer for email is still performing incredibly well. And you might wonder why, if it's been around for so long. Well, that's because these guys are not only OG marketers, have been doing this for a really long time, they know how to make great swipes, great creatives, and refresh and optimize the offer so it still works incredibly well to your email audience, which in reality should be cycling every 30 to 90 days anyway. So it's a fresh offer that they continue to respond to with average payouts of around $160 and a conversion rate higher than what we mentioned with Thomas's offer before. This is a winner that you need to try. So if you haven't tried it a long time, even if it's been a couple of months, I encourage you to go get some new swipes on the affiliate tool page and start making some money. With that, we're gonna move to the lesser host with Thomas.
Before we jump into number 4 and more insults from Kyle that I wasn't expecting, I do want to call out that if you are newer to affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you check out the Spark Affiliate Training Program. And we've got a buddy of mine, his course is in there. Ian Stanley is teaching all kinds of things about email marketing. He's a great email affiliate himself. He teaches people how to be email affiliates, and you can get up and running and monetizing email list ASAP. So check out the links. They'll be somewhere around this video. I'm not entirely sure. Dylan says they'll be there. Click below and get rocking. So back into it, we've got the number 4 offer. This is Red Boost, which is a thriving offer in the men's health space. It is not what I thought, which is a hardwood cleaning tonic. It is actually a testosterone improvement offer. So why is this offer a knockout for affiliates and not just in the bedroom? Well, first off, their VSL is compelling, engaging, and just the right style and length, to keep potential customers watching. The copy is amazing too. Their affiliate payout value is amazing. We'll get to in just a second, but they're really doing a great job maximizing your commissions sale after sale. So hop on over to their affiliate landing page to see just why people are buying this product in bundles. Check out the listing in the marketplace and get started with Red Boost today, where you can expect to see earnings per click of almost $1, right around 85 cents, and an average commission of $131. Speaking of someone who needs a boost, back to Kyle.
First, we just have to mention thank you, Thomas, for the handoff. Obviously, where I might be short on stature, you're short on creativity because you went with the short jokes, but it's okay. We'll make sure to finish strong in a way that you never could. So going on, we're going to be talking about the number 5 offer where it might think, oh, this is the least effective. I'm going to tell you this is actually super new and it is doing wonders. This is Neotonics. And the great thing about this, we have a lot of weight loss, we have a lot of things like this, but this is actually a supplement gummy that's for your skin and gut health, because what you put in the gut ends up affecting the rest of your body, especially your skin. And it's one thing that a lot of people really care about, particularly going into the winter months. Things get dry, people care about all the pictures around the holidays. This is a very well-timed product that is converting incredibly well to female audiences. And the great thing is this will actually broaden your age demographics. We're normally fit in kind of that 55 plus. This is something that actually goes towards younger demographics. In email, this has been a monster with stats of $1.59 in EPCs. Again, another really high average payout of $160. And this one is converting, of the top 5, it's converting better than any of them right now at about 1% conversion rate that you could expect, making this, if something you haven't tried already, you need to put in your next email drop because it's going to make you a ton of money. In fact, it might make you enough money to get Thomas a different, less bright shirt. And with that, guys, it's another great top 5 offer segment, and look forward to what.
Hi. Kyle trying to get the last word, just like he got the last t-shirt of his hamper pile. We're back here with the offer number 6, the actual last offer, which is Pro Dentum, and it's been the offer to beat in 2023. Still popping off the top of the list, and this is a monster in the dental niche. It really created the dental niche. And in a big flashy news update, they released an offer in Spanish. So now if you've got a Spanish list, you can be promoting there as well. One reason why Pro Dentum is so successful is because of how easy it is to ingest. Who doesn't want to have candy that bolsters the mouth biome with over 3.5 billion probiotic flora and nutrients that jumpstarts oral health? It's awesome. And it tastes pretty good too. This offer has a broad appeal, especially with audiences over 35, but I would probably target it even older than that. Check out their affiliate tools page and get your chunk of the Pro Dentum success pie. We're gonna close it off some great stats. Earnings per click are right around $1.30. Average payouts are right around $130 with a conversion rate right around 1%. You can expect great performance from this offer to this day, even if you've mailed it a while ago. Get it refreshed, get it plugged in, and don't forget that Spanish offer. And there we have it, the top 6 offers, not 5, for you to pitch on
And don't forget about Spark. Spark with Ian Stanley. Ian Stanley, if you want to be better at email, you need to get some Spark. So in your face, Thomas, in your face.
Thank you, Kyle. If you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're one of the 70% of people that watch these videos that are not subscribing, why? We're doing this for you. Subscribe, get the latest updates, watch Kyle and I on Affiliated, where we're sometimes nicer to each other, not all the time. And please like, comment, let us know you're watching, let us know how we can support you, and happy scaling.